Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do so my makeup can last a lot more. Okay, so I already prepped my skin. I added glow drops and moisturizer. Okay, so first of all, I like to spray some setting mist from ColourPop. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna use this primer right here. And I focus more on my nose and the areas that I struggle with. It looks like a lot, but I'm gonna blend it all over my face. I'm gonna add more setting spray. Foundation. The pumps are very small, so don't be scared to add a few of them. I'm gonna blend it. Okay, I just noticed I forgot to do my eyebrows, so we'll see how that goes. And I like to tap into the skin like this. I'm gonna do some concealer. I'm gonna spray this one. I think this is the one that does the job, seriously. You need to get this. I'm gonna set that concealer. Now I'm gonna apply cream contour and I'm gonna bake a little bit. I'll show you guys right now. And now I'm gonna dust everything off. Okay, so this is how my makeup looks right now.